Hi friends, in this video I am going to show you how you can convert Toncoin to USDT on the Tonkeeper wallet. As you can see, I have 3 Toncoin and I would be converting 1 Toncoin to USDT in this video. So all you have to do is simply go ahead and click on swap. And please note that for every transaction that you do on a non-custodial wallet, you would need to pay gas fees. Now these gas fees would be in Toncoin, which I will be showing you later. And in the receive over here, you will need to go ahead and select Tether USDT. Now please note that there are two USDT, one is Tether USD and other one is JUSDT. Now this JUSDT is basically a bridge USDT on StoneFi or other DeFi protocols on the Ton blockchain. But you have to go ahead and select this one, Tether USD. So we'll go ahead and click on this. Now let's say I'm converting 1 ton. So I'll simply go ahead and put 1 ton and it will calculate the current exchange rate. So the current exchange rate for 1 ton is 5.3774 USDT. Now please note that there are other charges also, which is price impact. Now price impact should be as low as possible. In this case it's 0%. And this is the minimum amount of USDT that you would receive for this specific transaction. And apart from that, there is liquidity fee or liquidity provider fee that you will need to pay in USDT and blockchain fee, which is 0.08 to 0.25 ton, which is much on the higher side. Now please note that swapping any amount of coins or tokens on a non-custodial wallet as compared to a centralized exchange would be always expensive. So if you want to go ahead and swap or convert a larger amount, I would recommend using a centralized exchange like Binance, Bybit or Bitget or any other centralized exchange that you are using for converting or swapping in between tokens. And the route is Ton to USDT. So we'll go ahead and click on continue now. And go ahead and confirm the transaction. And all you have to do is you will need to go ahead and slide to confirm. And as you can see, for me the network fee is 0.1457 ton. So just for the video purpose, I will be going ahead and swapping this. And it will detect my face because I am using an iPhone. And as you can see, now the transaction is done and the transaction is sent. So we'll go ahead and click on OK now. And go a bit back. Now we will need to keep refreshing this tab and within 2 to 5 minutes your USDT would be reflected over here. And as you can see, now my Toncoin has been debited from my Tonkeeper wallet and we'll wait for this USDT to reflect in some time. So I will wait for 5 minutes and I will be showing you the USDT in this wallet. And as you can see, now the USDT is reflecting in my Tonkeeper wallet. So it approximately took around 2 to 3 minutes for the transaction to be completed. So this is how you can go ahead and convert or swap your Toncoin to USDT on the Tonkeeper wallet. And this is all for this video. And in case if you have any doubts or questions, please feel free to leave a comment. I would be more than happy to help you. Hope you like my video. Thank you for watching.